Good morning and welcome to Pure Health Yuza. Today, we're talking about something you probably do every single day, drinking water in the morning. But here's the shocking truth of 5 common mistakes seniors make while drinking water in the morning could be damaging your kidneys, hurting your digestion, and even slowing down your brain. So grab a glass of water, sit back, and let's fix these mistakes so your mornings help you feel younger, stronger, and healthier. Mistake sharp 1. Drinking cold water first thing in the morning. Many people wake up and head straight for the fridge to grab a glass of cold water. But for seniors, cold water can shock your digestive system, weaken your metabolism, and even cause joint stiffness. When your stomach is empty, it's very sensitive. Cold water slows down digestion, and that leads to bloating, constipation, and fatigue. What to do instead? Always start your day with lukewarm water or room temperature water. It wakes up your organs gently and helps flush out toxins from your body naturally. You can even add a slice of lemon or drink fenugreek seed water for extra benefits. Mistake sharp 2. Drinking water while lying in bed. This might surprise you, but many seniors sip water while still lying down in bed. Drinking water in a reclined position can cause it to go down the wrong way, increasing your risk of colic, acid reflux, or even choking. What to do instead? Sit upright, take a moment to relax, and sip slowly. Always take water in small sips. Let it stay in your mouth for a second before you swallow. This simple habit improves digestion and prevents any sudden pressure on your stomach. Mistake sharp 3. Gulping down a large amount of water all at once. Some people believe that drinking 1 liter of water right after waking up is healthy, but for seniors, that can overload your kidneys and make you feel uncomfortable or even nauseous. What to do instead? Start small. Begin your day with a single glass of water, about 8 ounces. Wait 20-30 minutes before having another. Gradual hydration is much better than flooding your body all at once. Mistake sharp 4. Drinking from a copper bottle without cleaning it properly. Copper bottles are popular in natural health circles, and drinking from copper vessels can support your immune system. But here's the catch: if you don't clean it regularly, copper can oxidize and form toxic residue that harms your liver and digestion. What to do instead? If you use a copper bottle, clean it daily with lemon juice or vinegar and avoid using it if the surface inside turns black or green. And only drink copper water that's been stored overnight. Don't keep it sitting for days. Mistake sharp 5. Reaching for tea or coffee instead of water. This is one of the most common and dangerous mistakes. Starting the day with tea or coffee before water. Tea and coffee are diuretics. They remove water from your body, which leads to dehydration, acidity, and fatigue. And when your stomach is empty, caffeine increases acid production, causing bloating and long-term digestive problems. What to do instead? Make sure your first drink is water, always. Then, after 30 to 45 minutes, enjoy your tea or coffee. This one simple change can dramatically improve your digestion, brain function, and energy levels. A bonus tips for seniors: how to drink water the right way. Let's go over some bonus tips that every senior should follow to make water your best medicine. 1. Always sit down while drinking water. It helps with absorption and prevents joint stress. 2. Avoid drinking too much water during meals. It dilutes your digestive enzymes. 3. Don't drink water immediately after meals. Wait at least 30 minutes. 4. Sip water slowly throughout the day. Don't wait until you're thirsty. 5. Keep a bottle near your bed, but only drink after you set up fully. Special tip for seniors with health conditions: if you have diabetes, high blood pressure, or kidney issues, here's a simple trick. Start your day with fenugreek seed water, soak overnight, or add a slice of lemon or a few tulsi, holy basil, leaves in your water. These help control blood sugar, cleanse the liver, and support immunity. But always check with your doctor first. So there you have it: 5 water drinking mistakes to avoid every morning, and how just a few simple changes can help you feel younger, sharper, and more energetic. And if you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to Pure Health User, and share this video with your loved ones. Because your health is in your hands, and it starts with just one glass of water.